There is a place, not on your bucket list, because you've never dared to dream this far. In the middle of the Indian Ocean lies an archipelago of whispers, a string of 115 emeralds scattered across turquoise silk. This is Seychelles, not crowded, not trending, not for everyone. This is where billionaires go to disappear and lovers go to never come back. You don't find Seychelles. It finds you when your soul begs for silence and your body aches for untouched sun. On Fregate Island, there are more giant tortoises than humans. On North Island, villas float like dreams above the sea. On Digue, bicycles replace cars and time melts like sugar. The sand here isn't white, it's blush, cream, a shade invented by gods who love soft landings. You'll sleep in villas carved into granite cliffs, shower under stars, dine with bare feet in coral coves, and no one will know where you are. No calls, no clocks, no crowds, just you, the sea, and a horizon that doesn't ask questions. Come to the island you've never heard of, and forget everything you thought you needed. Seychelles, ultra-seclusion, perfectly real.